A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the avoidable burden of the irrelevant. Ladies and gentlemen, the human brain, a masterpiece of creation, is designed to operate at peak efficiency when it is physiologically healthy, psychologically enriched, and charged with positive energy. Like a cosmic supercomputer, it processes vast amounts of sensory inputs, storing, retrieving, and analyzing data to generate thoughts and actions. However, much like a machine burdened by excessive irrelevant data, the brain too can become overwhelmed, leading to diminished efficiency and a cascading impact on overall well-being. The question is, how can the brain be liberated from this avoidable burden? Let's look at the science of thought and energy. Thoughts are not merely abstract notions, they are forms of energy. Positive thoughts act as multipliers, enhancing cognitive ability, emotional resilience, and overall vitality. Conversely, negative thoughts drain energy, impairing focus, reducing efficiency, and triggering a chain reaction of emotional and physiological distress. Neuroscientific research confirms that chronic stress and anxiety, often fueled by excessive and unnecessary thoughts, can lead to cognitive overload, mental fatigue, and even structural changes in the brain. Prolonged exposure to stress can shrink the prefrontal cortex, responsible for decision making and cognitive control, while at the same time enlarging the amygdala, the brain's fear center, making individuals more prone to anxiety and impulsivity. Additionally, excessive stress reduces synaptic plasticity, impairing memory and learning capacity. Ancient wisdom aligns with modern neuroscience in emphasizing the mind's role in shaping reality. The Upanishads teach, you are what your deep driving desire is. As your desire is, so is your will. As your will is, so is your deed. As your deed is, so is your destiny. This reinforces the importance of conscious thought selection to sculpt a purposeful and fulfilled life. Let's also examine the source of cognitive overload. Negative thought patterns stem from various sources: fear, anxiety, fatigue, emotional distress, societal pressures, and environmental stressors. One of the most insidious contributors is the tendency to overthink, dwelling on past experiences, worrying about future uncertainties, or being excessively preoccupied with external events. This overload not only depletes mental resources but also affects mood, behavior, relationships, and the ability to take purposeful action. The brain as a finite resource is important to understand. Just as an overburdened computer slows down or crashes when overwhelmed with excessive data, an overloaded brain experiences cognitive fatigue, diminishing its ability to function optimally. Studies in cognitive neuroscience highlight that excessive, irrelevant thinking increases the brain's energy consumption, leading to mental exhaustion and reduced productivity. The solution, therefore, lies in cognitive decluttering, removing all that is unnecessary and irrelevant to restore mental efficiency. What's the way forward? It is brain entrainment. Achieving peak mental efficiency requires conscious effort and disciplined practice. The key lies in training the brain to filter out irrelevant inputs, avoiding unnecessary distractions, and cultivating an environment conducive to positive, purposeful thinking. This process, often termed brain entrainment, involves following 4 steps. First, reducing mental clutter. Identifying and eliminating thoughts, emotions, and activities that add no value to one's aspirations and well-being. Second, optimizing sensory inputs. Being mindful of what enters the mind, limiting negativity from media, conversations, and unnecessary distractions. Third, strengthening mental discipline. Practicing mindfulness, meditation, and focused thinking to enhance mental resilience. Fourth, harnessing positive energy. Channeling thoughts towards creativity, problem solving, and aspirational growth rather than ruminating on the irrelevant. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, ancient wisdom for modern minds conveys some powerful message. The Katha Upanishad states, when the mind is distracted, one's true potential is lost. When it is controlled and focused, the highest self is attained. This wisdom underscores the necessity of mastering one's thoughts to unlock peak mental performance. Lord Krishna advised in the Bhagavad Gita, you have the right to perform your duty, but you are not entitled to the fruits of your actions. Let not the result of your work be your motive, nor let your attachment be to inaction. This profound teaching emphasizes that excessive concern over outcomes is an unnecessary burden on the mind. Overthinking about results, worrying about what is beyond control, and dwelling on uncertainties only drain energy and cloud judgment. Instead, Krishna's wisdom calls for complete focus on meaningful action while detaching from unnecessary anxiety over results. The burden of the irrelevant is avoidable by consciously choosing what enters the mind. Control over mental and emotional well-being is regained. A decluttered mind is not just an efficient mind, it is a liberated one, capable of boundless growth, clarity, and fulfillment. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.